I am so excited to be here, and I get to talk about my favorite thing, food. The way to my heart is through my stomach, just like so many of you. We know that food is fuel, but it's also so much more than that. It's our connection with our culture, with our family, right? Now that the holidays are coming up, it's a huge part of our everyday life, and we want it to be simple while still giving you those results. So I'd like to introduce you to our new digital nutrition guide. The nutrition guide helps customers understand that weight loss is about consistency, keeping it simple and finding what works best for you. By offering a simple tool that doesn't require this complicated tracking system, they can learn that weight loss and healthy living are possible even on those tight schedules. We now have one guideline rather than multiple meal plans. The guidelines we offer will teach simple tips for success, but really let our products shine because they're amazing. Even on those days where you step outside the nutrition guide guidelines, these products are still going to work for you and they're still going to propel you towards your goals. We know that a fired up metabolism requires fuel. So we want you to eat enough, and eat consistently. We know that wellness is also more than weight loss, right? We know that your weight is just a symptom of what's going on in your body, and we want to support all of those different things. And we have a cornucopia of products to help you do just that. First, yes, the products that work. These are going to work whether you're in a drive-thru or whether you're sitting down at a holiday meal. Even if you're not following the meal plan, we know that these products still work and they still support your body and all of the different functions it has. We do recommend that you, on the meal plan, you do 3 main meals along with 2 snacks as needed alongside our Xyngular products. We know you have to eat. You have to eat to lose. We don't want to be in this strong calorie deficit where your body's going to store things. We want to fuel all of the different functions, right? Your hormones, your microbiome, all of these different things that are going to help you feel good, but also give you sustainable weight loss. This is long-term. This isn't a short game play. In the guide, we have a few different things. We have a day at a glance, both for 8-day and post jumpstart in one guide. We also have the foods we love. This is your food list. We're gonna have the food list for the 8-day jumpstart as well as that post jumpstart. Within the guide, we have these little links that help you provide more tools that are gonna help you even be more successful and also make this a lot more enjoyable because we love food. We have a meal planning template. We have 8-day jumpstart recipes that are delicious. We have post jumpstart recipes, and also Cooking with Chanelle, where I go through all the body benefits of the foods that you're consuming. Here's a day at the glance. Breakfast, of course, we have to have the lean shake, right? That's a really complete thing with all of those nutrients, that protein, those things that you need. We have our mid-morning snack, we have our lunch, mid-afternoon snack, and dinner. But you'll notice the little examples. So these are just examples that you can do, but you can fill those with the foods that are best suited to you. We know that each body has its own bio-individual needs. You might be gluten-free or dairy-free or vegan, vegetarian, whatever your personal needs are. This is the solution for you. When you look at the plate, so say you take this circle and that was your plate, you want half of the plate to be those vegetables. These are gonna be your slow carbs, okay? These are going to be those things that give you all the fiber and micronutrients you need. Then you have your lean protein. This is gonna provide those amino acids to rebuild your body and your organs and all of those different things. And then healthy fats, which are essential for digestion and hormones and cognitive function. So when you look at your plate, look at it this way. That's what we've done with this day at a glance for the post jumpstart. First, of course, we have to have our lean shake, right? And then our high protein snack. Here's an example of the black bean and sweet potato kale tacos that are amazing. We also have, this is when you're starting to incorporate dairy, if you can, right? Like I said, each body is a little bit different, and so you just have to assess your needs and your personal dietary restrictions. Drink more water. I know it sounds so simple and we know this, but water helps remove waste from the body. Water increases calorie burning. Water is necessary to burn fat, right? So you need to drink more water. A good rule of thumb is to take your weight, divide it in half, and that's how many ounces of water you should drink in a day. So let's say I'm 140 pounds. This is just an easy round number, and I can do the math myself. So 140 divided by 2 equals 70. So that means I would be intaking 70 ounces of water a day. Don't snack and snooze. Did you know your body has its own natural daily rhythm? Well, it does. And it's called your circadian rhythm. It's a 24-hour neural, physical, and hormonal cycle that keeps everything flowing. This daily cycle is comprised of several wellness windows that help optimize and harmonize how you feel. Amazing, your body does this all on your own, so you just have to work with it. When you wake up, that's when your digestive system starts to rev up. That's when you're gonna drink your lean shake, right? But at night, when the sun goes down, that's when everything starts to slow down, like your digestive system. So eating after that point, your body is more likely to store it in your connective tissue as fat cells. So we don't want you to snack and snooze. And we can do that. We have resist chews to help you with that. We also have things that will help you sleep, right? And sleeping is really important for your weight loss as well. Above all, nutrition should be simple. The way you eat should work for you, not the other way around. Make your Xyngular products a priority and let them do the heavy lifting.